Okay, so today I'd like to take you through a project I've completed to make a model of The Button from the BBC TV show, the game show The Button. Me and the family are huge fans of the show, and the kids really wanted to play The Button at home, so I thought I'd have a go at making my own, and I've made two different versions. The first version is the big button. This is the one that really is quite a good replica, I think, of the one from the TV show. The case looks quite similar to the one from the show. It's made from laser cut plywood, and it has a Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi screen in the centre to show you the challenges. On the top there's the iconic button itself, which lights up green or red, and then on the back, again, detailing based on the ones from the show with the windows and the lights. So all in all, kind of gone to some efforts to make it look quite a bit like the original. I've put a hole in for the Raspberry Pi camera, and I've installed a camera. At the moment the software doesn't use it. I have hopes that one day it will, but at the moment it just uses the screen and the button. The smaller version, the so-called mini button or small button, runs exactly the same software. It's still got a Raspberry Pi inside, has the same light up dome. It doesn't have any additional lights, and it doesn't have the screen. Instead, we use a television to provide the screen and show the challenges. This is ideal for a smaller project and a smaller budget, and I've got a video showing a step-by-step how to make the small button, and another video that will show the differences between the big button and the small button if you want to make either of those, and all the designs and software are freely available online. Okay, so now the button's gone red, this is the point in the show where the family will go crazy, and probably one of them's asleep, and then they have to run around and press the button. So we press the red button, and we're given a challenge. And this challenge reads: everyone currently in the house must wear a pillowcase over their head. They must be covered down to their shoulders. So the family run upstairs, get pillowcases, put them all over their heads, and when everyone's all lined up in front of the button with a pillowcase down at least as far as their shoulders, then they'll press the button again, and the button will tell us, challenge complete, you took 21 seconds. And then we can press the button another time, and it goes back into waiting a random amount of time for the next challenge. And the setup's exactly the same on the small button. The only difference, of course, is that on the small button, the challenges will appear on the television screen. Okay, cool. Thank you for looking. I hope you found this project interesting. If you'd like to make it yourself, as I say, all the plans and instructions are freely available online. And let me know if you make it in the comments. I'd really like to hear how you get on.